Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to look at a new feature, new functionality provided by the Microsoft regarding the Power BI embedded reports with Business Central. So the agenda of our meeting is like first we are going to look at the Power BI apps in Business Central, and after that we are going to come to the Business Central marketplace, which is an app source. We are going to jump over there. We are going to download the app from here, install the app from here, uh, and then I'm going to show you how we can connect the embedded reports with that. Okay, and what is the role of Power BI connectivity setup with that. Okay, so the agenda is pretty simple. Let's jump to the Power BI web version. Okay, so from here, first step is to jump to the apps you can see over here. And if you look at in the workspace, you will see that there are list of apps which I have already downloaded. Okay, but in this video we are going to install a new app, okay, with different environment. Okay, over here you can see there are like 4 environments, and we want to connect our sandbox, which is this AHA. This is a sandbox environment. Okay, and we are going to link this company, 720 Technologies company, with the Power BI reports. Okay, okay, so let me show you another thing. If you come to this, so you can see over here, if I search Power BI, so you can see there are like a lot of Power BI reports which is provided by the Microsoft itself. Okay, and this is, you can say, you can get the complete access for this Power BI report, not in the free Power BI version, but you need to buy a pro version of the pro version license, then you can access these all. Okay, in on the free version you won't be able to connect that. Okay, so for example, if I use the first one, okay, like the finance report, so it is going to take like 10-15 seconds to load that. Okay, so over here you can see the proper dashboard is coming, and proper setup, proper reports are coming, and you can see over here that the company name is 720 Tech. That means it is connected. But if it is not connected, it is going to show you a sample data. It won't. It's not going to happen that there's no dashboard over here. There going to be a dashboard, but the company name is going to be Cronus. So that means the it will be a sample data. But in this case, I'm showing you that it is already connected. Okay, but remember, we have to connect the Power BI reports separately for all the modules. It's not gonna happen that you connect the for the finance reports and you will get the data for the sales. Okay, so over, let me just close this notification. Okay, and if I try to access the sales, you can say reports. Okay, so you can see currently it is not connected, so it's not gonna come. Okay, let's jump to the Power BI now. You can see there's an app feature over here. We are going to click on this, get an app. How to get an app? Just write the Business Central. Okay, so you can see there are like a lot of Business Central related apps already exist in the App Store. It's gonna take a second. Okay, so over here you can see this is for the finance. This is totally free, and if you want to get the sales one, then you can use this one for the CRM, for the others. Okay, so now we are not going to purchase from here. There's another way to access this. I want to show you both. So just closing this one and jumping to the Business Central. Over here I'm going to write app source. So Microsoft App Store. The page is common actually on the backend, but this is just a path to go to access the app. Okay, over here you will click on view on the app all. We are going to filter the data, see all. Let's cross it. Over here the product is going to be the Power Platform, and under that we are going to access the Power BI visuals. Okay, and we can use this one. Okay, over here we are going to write Business Center sales because we want to access the sales app. So this is just for the filter. Okay, okay, so I want to show you one thing. If you select this one, Dynamics D365, you can say sales, then you will get, this is an old version provided by the Microsoft. Okay, but now they have updated that, and actually the just let me quickly access that again. Business Central sales. Okay, okay, so for that they have created a separate app, or you can call it an API. They have created separate. uh, if you go a little bit down, so you can see this one. Okay, sales Power BI app for Business Central. Okay, so this is going to be the latest one. If you see this, so you can see this is a lot much better than the what was provided before. Okay, so these are all the reports which you can access. Okay, how to get it? Just click on get it now. You have to enter your mail. Okay, I'm going to enter this. Okay, sales Power BI app. Okay, so you can see over here it is saying that you want to confirm your details to continue. Go get it now. Okay, it is going to take you to the Power BI apps. Okay, you need to be patient very to use this. Okay, over here you will see three options: update the workspace and the app, update only workspace content without updating the app, install another copy of the app into a new workspace. This is going to be a critical point. Okay, let me explain you. I have already downloaded the Sales Power BI app for Business Central in another environment. Okay, because I'm downloading it again for the separate environment or for the separate company, so I have to install another copy of that app. Okay, into a new workspace. Okay, I cannot download a same app in a same workspace. It should be a new workspace. Okay, and remember that it is going app is going to be for a specific company. Okay, it is not going to happen you will download it once and it will connect with all the companies in the Business Central. No, it's not going to happen like that. So what you have to do, you have to download it again and you have to give it a better naming convention to just to understand it that this is linked with the that specific environment or that company. We are going to look into it later, but before that let me give you you can say a more of a catchy name, so or more of a logical name, just to access that. Okay, so over here it's the environment name. I'm going to use that. It's totally up to you that what you want to do, but I find you can say someone else have recommended me this, that and I find it really great. uh, okay, so first the environment, second the company, and third is it is related to sales. Okay, so this is going to be the name. I'm going to install it. Okay, you can see installing an app, it could take a little while. Okay, okay, now you can see your new app is ready. App This is the name of the app, it's ready to go. Okay, and you can also see it over here. I can click on that. Okay, it will open all the, you can say, reports. Okay, over here, but you can see if you look to it closely on the right side, you can see the company name is the Cronus. It is not the company which we want to access. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to connect our data with this whole app, sales app. Okay, so over here you can see connect your data and you have to specify your environment or the company. This is the company, and let me specify the environment, it's AJ. Okay, and if it is done you can click on next. Okay, so now it is now it is connecting both of the system. Okay, so over here you can see one thing, that privacy level setting for this data source. Okay, this is going to be OAuth 2, and over here you will find three options. Okay, four options: none, private, organizational, public. Okay, so private is going to be a user specific, that means. Okay, organizational is going to be you're going to enable everything with using this user, and all the people in the organization can access that, but there's a limit that he needs to have the Power BI Pro license. Okay, otherwise it won't be possible. If you click over here, and everything is done, sign in and connect. Okay, and over here I have to specify my uh, credentials. So you can see the refresh is in progress. It will take you can say 10-15 seconds to connect. And one thing, you can still see the company name is Cronus. Refresh it. Let me connect it again. I think so. I have entered the wrong. I think so. Let me quickly do it by quickly do it. Okay, so now it is connected. The reason which was coming is that I was entering the wrong company name. I was entering 720 Technologies companies, so I have picked the exact name from the Power BI connector. And you need to remember this also. You need to pick the exact name, and you need to pick it and you need to paste it in the app. Okay, so now you can see it is connected, and over here you can also see its company name is 720 Technologies. And if you come back over here in the business central, then again if you go to the financial reports, sales reports, okay, so it's still not directly showing you the sales report. Okay, so why the setup is not done even if it is over there? So the reason is, if you come to the Power BI Connect connector setup, okay, so over here, let me show you in the sales report. Okay, so you can see we need to attach the Power BI sales app with on Business Central. Okay, so if you click on the three dots, so you can see there are a lot of you can see a list of the apps present over here. It is showing the list of all the Power BI apps that we have installed in the Power BI. So this is why I have specified that you need to give a very logical name just to track. Okay, the reason is, for example, even if, for example, if we download it with the exact name like Dynamics 365 Business Center Finance Report, so this is the one which I'm using in the live production environment. Okay, and so it is going to duplicate the name. Okay, over here you will see, or because we are using the sales one, so you can see D365 Business and Sales Report, and over here you will see the exact name. So it will be very hard for you to identify exactly which app is for which environment or which company. Okay, so that is why I specified over there. You need to you need to pick a very logical name for your app. So that is why I have specified the environment, companies, and then the nature of the report. So I will select this. Okay, and the sales app, yes. So now if I go back and for example, let me show it for you from here, because first I want to show you the whole list. Let me switch off the manufacturing, inventory, purchasing. Oh yeah, this one, sales. Okay, so there are 12 by default reports provided by the Microsoft. If you click on that, it will take like 4-5 seconds to load it. Okay, over here you can see list of reports, and the best part is that company name is 720 Technologies. Okay, so it means it is now the system is connected, both the systems are connected with each other. So, and it is giving me the sales amount as per the company. Okay, let me now jump to the chart of accounts of the uh, Business Central. Okay, so just to show you that how they are connected with each other. Okay, over here we need to search chart of accounts. Okay, so now whatever data is going to be here, okay, whatever data is going to be present in the GL account, sorry, the in the yeah, GL accounts, chart of accounts, it is going to pick from there and can show the proper visualization over here. So how it is calculating everything, so that is very important to understand. Okay, so you must know that there's a feature or name as account subcategories in Business Central on the GL account card, and you can see the land and building is specified with all these 6 accounts. Okay, so that means these all accounts come under the category of land and building subcategory. Okay, and if I go to the Power BI connector, okay, so over here there's a feature called Power BI account categories, and you can see over here that you can specify the GL account categories which you have created. Okay, and and over here you can specify, you can link these all the default Power BI account categories which Microsoft has provided. Now you need to map it with the GL accounts which you have created in your system, because start of accounts could be different for every single organization. It is different for every single organization. So you need to map it very, logically and very efficiently, that it is going to link with each other. For example, what Power BI has is considering the list of assets, okay, and wherever they are selecting the assets in the visualization, considering the assets as visualizations, so you need to specify in front of that. For example, if even if I select liabilities over here, system is not going to give me an error that why are you selecting liabilities with the assets. So this is totally up to you, that what you want to link uh, between them. Okay, what kind of a link you want to create between them. Okay, and furthermore, this was very important. You need to be very logical and efficient. And over here you can see working days, so you can specify what kind of working days you have and what is the non-working days, and you can change it as per your requirement. Okay, so this is totally doable. Furthermore, you can see these are the start, what is going to be the start and the end date. For example, if I select this, the item sales report start date is going to be this and end date is going to be this, then system is going to give you the reports as per this filter. Okay, and if we are going to remove that, okay, then what will happen, system is going to give us the detail until now. So that means this is going to his system is going to give us the detail for the uh, all the data. Okay, and we can use the Power BF, and we can use the still you can use the filters. This is the filters which Microsoft has provided us, and if you want to use any one of them, then you can specify. Okay, so it is going to change according to that. Okay, so this is regarding the filters. Now another thing I want to show you is that even if I do some sort of a transaction in the business central, okay, still that doesn't mean it's automatically going to update in the in the Power BI. Remember that there's a you can see job is running on the back end, and it is scheduling that on this date it is going to refresh your data. So how you can check that, just go back. Okay, and our app was this one. Okay, okay, save app. Okay, data updated, you can see the data is updated the time we have downloaded that. Okay, so let me show you another thing which is related to that. um, how can we see what is the time when the next refresh is going to run? Okay, simply what you need to do, you need to go back. Okay, and over here you can see workspace, and new workspace was created with this name. Okay, and over here you can see there are two categories actually. The first is the report and second is the semantic model. Okay, so report, this is the one which is connected with your sales with business central in according to the, you can say, the visualization in the report form. Okay, and back end the data is running in form of a semantic model. Okay, if you open that, so you can see there's a backend work is going on. Okay, so when it is going to be is going to refresh, so you can see over here the refresh was at this time, and the next refresh you can see 22 of the January. The next refresh is going to be 23rd. You can see night at 12. You can see when the next day is going to start. Okay, so this is how you can see you can check the next refresh when it is going to come. One more thing, but if for example if you suddenly if you do some sort of an entry and it's important to see the effect in the Power BI reports immediately, so how you can do that. So the method is simple, just come to the, you can say, the semantic model. Okay, line, if you select that, you can see the refresh now. So it is going to refresh the data. Okay, and it is going to change the visualization as per your new entries. Okay, you can see it is going to take like 10-15 seconds to refresh it. Okay, and now the next point is how is to manage the access. Okay, if you click over here, so you can see who can see the reports. Okay, currently my name is written over here with my user ID, so I can also, you can say, um, you can say add other people in the if to view these reports. Okay, just specify over here, specify the name of the specify the ID of that person, of that user. Click on the add. System is going to add that. Okay, so you can see over here he is a viewer, he can view the reports, but the condition is that he must need to have the Power BI Pro license to view these all reports. Okay, so this is, you can say, a very amazing feature which is introduced by the Microsoft. List of all the, you can say, the reports, amazing reports. And now you can see, before that you need to pay a lot for that. Now you can access just to by having the Power BI Pro license. So thank you very much. This is all for this session. Inshallah, in future videos we are going to cover more new topics and more exciting topics. Okay, until next time, bye.